welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to upgrade a PC's RAM and check compatibility. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to upgrade RAM, you need to identify your motherboard and CPU specifications for RAM type, that is DDR generation. You need to check the speed, capacity, and then physically remove your old module. Now align the new module with the correct notch and firmly insert them until you hear the click sound. So as you can see, you need to insert it this way. You need to now simply gather supplies and prepare your space and then shut down and open the PC again. Once this is done, you need to install the new RAM and finish up by closing the case. You need to simply check compatibilities by going to the properties or simply check the motherboard's manual or the manufacturer's website for qualified vendor list, or you can also visit the website called crucial.com to use their system advisor tool. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.